Good morning. Happy Saturday. You are looking at our sweet potato bed that has been here since the end of April. We planted the plants, the slips, the end of April. So today is harvest day, and as you can see, my husband is starting to clear the bed out. There he is. See the plants coming out, and there are a couple of sweet potatoes right there. So we are going to be clearing this out today and seeing what we get out of our sweet potato bed. Any words, Mr. Upshur? We're just looking at the back of his head. You'll say good morning?
Good morning.
Okay. So we're just going to see what comes out of here. So we pull, well, as Mr. Upshur pulls back. Wow. Look at that. We have sweet potatoes, y'all. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. So there's a big long bed that needs to be plucked up here, but might not be as difficult as it may seem, and it might be some other ones once we pull the soil back underneath the soil. Let me stand out of the way, try not to be in his way. So also see if there's any. Yep, so make sure when you pull your sweet potatoes up that you get all the way underneath the soil, because as you can see, there's more sweet potatoes there. They are beautiful. Oh my goodness. Yay, I am so excited. We have sweet potatoes. This is the first time we did it like this, so we'll definitely use this bed next year to plant our sweet potatoes in, to plant our sweet potato slips in. Because the bed was deep enough, it gave it enough space for us to get a nice harvest of sweet potatoes. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oops, I think my shadow is overshadowing the sweet potatoes. Next time, maybe we'll fill the whole bed with sweet potatoes. Gives us more to share. All right, here we go. A little further back. Let's see what other treasures we're coming up with. Ah, nice. More treasures, more treasures, more sweet potato. Wow. It's a nice harvest so far. Check under the soil and see if there's any more down there. just in case.
The longer you let them stay in, the bigger they get.
The longer you let them stay in, the bigger they get.
So, these started getting flowers on them. We decided to pull them up. We got some nice big sweet potatoes.
Yes. And lots of sweet potatoes. Can't remember how many slips we put down. We put down a few, quite a few. Next time I will count them when I put them down, so we'll know exactly how many we put down. But the harvest is beautiful. All right. He is halfway through the bed. There's a little more to do. See what other treasures we might have under here. As you can see, the sweet potato plant started growing into the fence. We cut that back like several times, and it just kept growing into the fence, growing into the fence. So we would clip it back, and it would grow into the fence again. It was just in a growing frenzy. It loved the spot it was in, so it was in a good spot. So that's confirmed. So we will definitely use this bed again for sweet potato. Alrighty, starting from the other side. Let's see what's going to happen over there. Some of the leaves did start to turn yellow, but I guess the leaves don't necessarily have to turn yellow before you harvest them. They've been down since the end of April, so 5 months. About 5 months in.
Clippers over there.
Clippers. No, you don't have them in your pocket? Oh. Got them. Yep. Wow. It's amazing. And if you can see in the background there behind Sylvester, the tall okra trees. We've been harvesting okra all season too. Just keeping okra now so that I can have seed. So the ones that are on there now, I'll just dry them out nice until they're nice and brown, and then I will collect the seeds from them. And let's see, we're still getting sweet potato. Wow! Nice, nice, nice. Lots of sweet potato. Wow. And it's growing. Look at all the sweet potato, y'all. Look at all the sweet potato, y'all. I love sweet potato. And to grow our own is even more exhilarating, more exciting. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful sweet potato. Look at that. Yes. They keep coming. Ooh, thank you, Lord, for your abundant blessings. There we go. Oh, got more coming. Hold on, guys. And even just this plant smell so good. When they were harvesting the sweet potatoes, you could smell the plants. I like to smell the plants too. If they have a scent to them, they smell good. Got other little ones that we're trying to start there. See one right there. Right there. Watch out for my beets. Can you throw it over the fence as opposed to put it and then we'll just pick it up? Otherwise it's going to be a little hard to not interfere with my beets. Well, there you have it, guys. We have sweet potato. And there might be some more treasures buried underneath the soil. We'll toss the soil and make sure we've gotten them all out of there. But there you have it, guys. Mr. Upshur, any words?
No words. Keep digging.
He said no words. He's going to keep digging. All right, guys. Well, I hope that you are having a wonderful Saturday, wonderful Sabbath. This is just the Upshur Oasis, turning up sweet potatoes today. So we'll take a walk through and see what other things are going on later on. But that was what we wanted to share with you this morning, just sweet potato harvest. And definitely a blessing in front of us. All right, guys. See you later. Thanks for tuning in.